Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth treatment that will help you to stop your hair loss, okay, and also improve hair growth. So we have coffee, cloves and rosemary. So here is my clean bowl. I'll be using a teaspoon of each ingredient for this recipe, okay. So this is my teaspoon as well. This is what I'm going to use to measure the spices. So let's talk about the benefits of all these ingredients. All right, so we are starting up with cloves. Cloves is very powerful, okay. Cloves strengthens your hair. Cloves can be used to protect your scalp from dandruff, okay. So cloves helps to grow out your hair very well. So here I am adding my rosemary, okay. Rosemary helps to stop itchiness of the scalp. Rosemary helps to grow out your hair. It helps to stop hair loss. So I added 2 teaspoons of coffee. All right, coffee boosts your hair growth. Coffee reduces hair loss. Coffee exfoliates your scalp. Coffee darkens and thickens your hair. So I just added hot water and I'm going to allow this to infuse for a few minutes, few hours. It all depends on how long you want it to infuse. 8 hours is perfect for it to infuse. And after infusion, this is what we have. So I'm just going to strain this, okay loves. I'll strain this and show you guys how it looks like after it's being strained. I'm just trying to mix everything together, okay. You can use this treatment every day, all right, for visible result. I use this treatment every day for 7 days, and I was so amazed by my hair loss and hair growth. Like my hair loss actually shrinked. It shrinked. Like if I lose my hair is always falling. So after I use this treatment and my hair really stopped falling. I said this in my previous hair videos where I told you guys I was going to show you guys what these three ingredients looks like. I never knew this actually works. I just thought about mixing coffee to these 2 ingredients and boom, my hair loss was so amazing that this is so good. Try this out and leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you will try it. As I said, use this every day on your hair. Don't rinse it out. Let's say for example, use it for 7 days, then you wash out your hair, do that kind of treatment. This is an amazing treatment. It does not smell bad, okay. I used it and I can testify it does not smell bad. So anytime I lose my hair, this is kind of hair loss I always have. Like it's always massive. So it's always massive to tell you that this is going to stop your hair loss. So anytime I lose my hair, this is how my hair loss is to come out. It starts shrinking, okay. This is another hair loss I always have, okay. Then guys, this is the result. This is the result. Can you see this? Can you see how the hair loss has totally gone down? Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, okay, and leave your commentaries or your notification. I'll see you in the next one.